How's it going, guys? Nick Ponte here. In this video, I'm going to show you or pass on to you a couple of apps that I've been using for about a year now. I've found a lot of value in them. They've really helped me kind of streamline WordPress development, graphic design, um, any kind of work that you're kind of doing online and offline from your computer. I'm sure you'll find value in these apps. I know I did when they were first introduced to me. So the first one I'm going to talk to you about is the Spectacle app, and here I am at the screen. It's called Spectacle, and what I use this for is you can actually set hotkeys to easily resizing the windows on your screen. So, in the past, I'm doing graphic design, or maybe I'm working on a WordPress site, and I have another site that maybe a client wants me to, evolve a basic HTML website into a WordPress site. So I'm copying stuff back and forth. Well, what this lets me do is if I hit my hotkey here, I can partition my window to the left or to the right. And I can, in the same way, if I have another window, here I have two windows, left and right of each other. And what that lets me do is I can easily work in these two windows and they're sized correctly, and I don't have to, spend the time clicking and dragging and making them even. I can have many windows that are left and right that I can navigate through really well. And I can also come back to full screen with an ease of just hitting a hotkey on my keyboard. So the other thing is that this app allows you to kind of cut your screen in quarters. I don't really use it for that. You might find value in that if you pick it up, and you may want to use it for that, but I actually just use it for the left and right and the full screen. Another thing that I use it for is, when I'm working in my Linux server, sometimes I need to copy something on this end, the actual server side, and then bring it back to, the website. Or I need to help myself kind of navigate through some file structure in the server, and I can visually see it on the website end too. So yeah, I hope you guys like that one. The next one I'm going to talk to you about is, I'm going to use my Spectacle app here. So the next one is called FlyCut. And what FlyCut is it's basically a clipboard manager. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I've been in this situation where I've copied something to my clipboard and then had to copy something else and then lost the original piece of something that I tried to keep. And I had to, go back through my tabs and go back through my windows and try to find what I was copying. And what this does is, I can copy one thing, like this link right here. Let's just say I copy this link, right, to my keyboard. And then, pretend I'm, developing a WordPress site, so I've got that link. And then let's just say I need this text from another piece of a website, to go on a page. So I copy that. Now, usually you just lose your link, but with FlyCut, you have a hotkey in your keyboard, and I'm going to bring it up for you. It's that simple. You open up this manager, and you just hit arrow keys, and look, there's the link. And you have actually 40 different saves of what you've copied to your clipboard. Now, I don't know about you, but I find that really, really helpful, especially when I'm doing CSS, HTML, any kind of like JavaScripting. Even just, answering emails. I mean, this thing is extremely helpful. So, again, these are free too, guys. So go ahead and download them. You're going to definitely use them as soon as you do download them. They've changed my freelancing and definitely streamlined how I do things on my from my business and from home, doing online and offline consulting. So that's it, guys. I hope you got some value out of that. Talk to you soon.